It's June 11th, 2026. Today I gotta go change a toilet for a lady. She's got a toilet in the basement down there, and I worked on it in the past, and I told her if it acts up again, she's gonna need a new toilet. It's just a cheap toilet, and there's you know, some of these toilets aren't worth working on. That's one of them. So I think it was a one-piece. But anyway, she's calling me, tells me she wants it changed, and she wants to put the cheapest one in there possible because it's in the basement for the grandkids or something. And so we'll just go back with a cheapie, you know, builder's model or something. Homeless Depot's got some decent toilets, or cheap ones. Well, they're all right. I mean, any rocket science. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. Go over there and get the old shitter cam out. Give it the old swapperoo. The old shitter cam, mama. It's a one-piece unit. I gotta take this thing the hell out of here, too. I had a weird thing on the fucking bottom glued in there or something. We'll probably go with a flex on there, most likely. This is a weird toilet. This is a weird one, Mom. Here's a weird one. See if I get this thing off here. Hopefully it comes off. This toilet's been an ongoing problem for a while, so next time it acts up, we're gonna change it. That's what we're doing. We're gonna give it the old change out. The problem child. Somebody's been pissing on that. Look, it's all green. That yummy. That yummy. Is she a peach? Pump the water out of it yet. Why'd you wear gloves? I never figured out. I don't figure out why you would wear gloves. No, I don't figure it out. I can't figure it out. Why somebody would wear gloves. Oh. strapped in. That'll be good. Puby ears from hell. My little warm-up bag here. Pretty gnarly. Get some of the smag out of here. Looking pubic ears from hell here. Toilet paper can go down there. Funnel wax. No good. Flange looks a little high. Well, maybe not. It's a thick flange. It's a thick flange, well. I'm leaving those bolts alone because they're kind of giving me an issue getting out, so I'll leave them. I put them screwdrivers there so I know where my bolts are. Should be able to bolt it down now. Really should have had a 14-inch rough, but she wanted to go as cheap as possible down here in the bathroom, so I want a 12-inch rough toilet round front. She's crusty, Mom. She is a crusty one. Is it gonna fit? I might have to cut them down, I'm not sure yet. I kind of like to do both sides first. Probably fit. kind of let it sit for a bit before I see these bolts. I like to replace them, put something better in there, because that's gonna rust. Guaranteed they'll rust. And put some good ones in there. Them are junk. That's steel. I like to go with nice brass ones. These are good. That's nice brass. Tight. It's gonna be tight. You can't be flopping in the flipping wind here. You can see there's a gap in there. You gotta close that gap up. Can't have a gap. You shouldn't be able to move the tank. And flopping in the wind, Mama. Make sure we're tight here on the bolts. Yeah, they're tight. We'll use the caps that come with it. Got a pump here. This thing's got a pump action. Laser Bay. Nothing but quality here. Water saver. There's a line where it says water line. You got to adjust it till it gets where it needs to be. And that's pretty damn close to where it needs to be right there. See it? Put the seat on it. Oh, it should be good. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of using these. They're supposed to be stainless, but they rust. Especially these nuts. You can see that they're not brass. This for sure would be a problem. Save the gaskets. And these round washers, maybe. And I clean out my box. It's getting heavy, all this extra shit in here that I don't need. Nuts and bolts and whatnot. It gets heavy. I wiped the floor down, but I don't see any leaks. I got the cover on. I don't see any leaks. This is done. I got the cage back.